At this stage, we are planning our strands. Each strand must be maybe not necessarily clearly visible, but we must plan them, we must know where they are. As you can see, I started already creating two areas, lighter and darker. And this part is all darker, so I'm going to shade everything here. This is the far away part, it is all darker, and some parts are even darker, so I'm going second time, creating a little bit more depth. At this point, I am using hard pencil because it is not actually a proper rendering yet. I am still at the planning stage. And so on. Just let's keep going.